and a half, or like 1年半.
Recording is on.
1年半. Would that be half a year or 1 year and a half?
Half a year.
No. Because if you think of 1 as 1 year, and you say då is just more. 1 is a year, and then half.
But then it feels like it feels like it should be half a year. So 1 year or half.
Right, so let's go 1多, and this would be 1年半. Let's try.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah.
And if you get it, then try and tell me how to say half a year. 2 characters. Exactly. 2 characters is enough. 半年. Makes sense, no? 半年. 半年. And remember now, we will usually use a measure word, but nian is already a measure word. So if we say ban, and we usually say ge, ban ge. Ban ge yue, ban ge ren, ban ge 东西, ban ge 咖啡, whatever. So remember the ban here, or the ge, and the ge. Ban ge. Nice. Excellent. Now we finally come to how to tell the time. This is the last important thing here. We'll practice this tomorrow as well, or during our practice session. But let's go with, so how would you say, what time is it?
Depends on what time it is. Or the question. Question would be, Idian Shama.
You love the Shama, don't you? Shama.
I do love it.
Did you say Idian, or did you say Jidian?
I said Gideon.
Ji, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I guess you can just say Gideon, right?
Can you tell me why?
Well, because G is a measure word.
Not a measure word. It's just a question word.
Question word.
So basically, G is already a question. Okay.
But is that enough when I
yes.
approach someone on the street and I tell them Gideon?
Yes, you can't say anything else. You can maybe say no if you want to.
Yeah, but I want to do you know what time it is?
Yeah, let's do that in a second. Don't add shama because you use what time is it in English. Jidian is the full version. Okay, but if you want to add more, you can say, do you know? Or you can say, now, what time? Okay, so let's try that. So the first one is, do you know?
你知道几点?
你知道, but now it's interesting. 你知道几点? The question is not, what time is it? The question is, 你知道, correct? We need a ma at the end. You know which time it is. So do you know? With ma. Otherwise, it would just be, you know what time it is.
Okay.
So 你知道几点? You know what time it is. So let me put an exclamation mark here, so we know it's a statement. 你知道几点吗? Do you know what time it is? Okay. Please add ma. Excellent.
Okay, let's try the next one then. I hope it will be something like this. 将在 几点吗？
Look at this a little bit longer and tell me where it's wrong.
No. I don't know.
So let's read this again. G is already a question. Don't add shama. Okay. And don't add ma, because it's already a question, correct?
Yeah.
So you don't add ma, and you don't add shama. You just use jidian, just like this, jidian. This is incorrect, but it's...
The way I was thinking was because I'm asking you what time it is now, that it's needed in month.
I think you're overthinking.
I always
You always do, but I appreciate that. 现在, but it's literally just the same sentence. 几点? But if you want to add some more details, be like 现在几点? That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, I will not try and go into this further. Just say that you overthink this. 几点 is enough. Or 现在几点? Can you say that? 现在几点?
现在一点。
Yeah, remember the 几.
现在几点?
Nice. 现在几点? Because if you remember to pronounce, or let's go common mistake. Remember to pronounce 几. Sorry, 几 in like 几. Otherwise, it will become 一点. It will become 一点. Okay, so 一点, not 几点, saying it's 1 o'clock. And you're actually asking when you're actually asking for the time. Okay, it's a very good practice. Hopefully not, unless it's 1 o'clock and then you got lucky. Unless it's 1 o'clock and you got very lucky. Okay, wonderful. Now, we're not done with the time yet. We also have, that's the hour. But then if we talk about the time, actually, let's answer this question. Let's go with 6 o'clock. So we'd say 现在 6 o'clock.
现在6点。
6点. Nice. Note here, we went through this earlier here, didn't we? With the, where is it? Let me see if I can find it somewhere. With the G here. So the G, 星期一 is the statement, and 星期几 becomes the answer then. So you just replace the thing that gave you information with the G. And now we're doing the same thing. Can you see that we're doing that? Now we're just saying, 现在, the question is 现在几点? The answer will just be to replace this with the number. 现在几点? 现在6点.
Yeah.
So again, it can't be more simple than this, really. The only difficult part, I think, is accepting it, because it's not like this in our language.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's as easy as it gets. The hard part, I'm writing this down for Jenan as well and for future students in our documents. The hard part is accepting it.
Yeah, it feels like some part is that's the hardest in some senses.
Yeah, which is thankful. It's nice. Okay, so now it's 6 o'clock, but it's actually 6 o'clock 20.
现在6点20分.
20 分. Nice. And can you tell me in English we say. In English, we say 20 past 6. Can you tell me why we can't say 20 past and then 6? Why we wouldn't say that in Chinese?
Why we can't say that?
Why it sounds much better to say hour and then the minute. I'll go back.
I don't know why.
Go back to, because you've already answered the question.
Okay. Yeah.
You know
Yeah. Because that's how they count time.
So this will also be hour and then minute. Nice.
Yeah. Makes sense then.
Nice. From big to small. Not like in English. We make more sense than English. You agree with that?
I agree.
Thank you. That's it. In English, we put, okay, so we put, yes, perfect. Now we'll work with the time in the practice session. And that's it, really. Now, sorry, it was 11 pages. Big text. Very sorry. Is this overwhelming for you?
Not maybe some parts of it, but no, it's not really. It just needs to stick. It's not hard to grasp. It's just hard to remember.
But that's the part. Now we've gone through the theory again, and now we're going to practice it a little bit, and that's why the practice session is so important.
Yeah.
Discord. Okay. Teacher room. Okay. And again, I want to tell you that this was the longest one you'll have. Okay, so we have this one here. Wait, what? That's not it. One second. Here we go. Okay. Sidebar. Okay. All of these look very good. Yeah. So what do you think about this, by the way? I want to ask you some questions about it as well. If you find more parts, some characters have like 4 parts. So I gave you that. Is it confusing?
No, I grasped that. I just felt bad since I didn't find.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Like this, I'm very impressed that you managed to nail this, and yeah, it's all looking very good. Yeah, and maybe I should add one more column here where you can write the word and then you can write the translation. I'll just make
one thing I thought about that I actually quite enjoyed was that with the previous course book, I could know what lesson the characters came from if I was struggling.
Oh.
It's easy to associate them with the lesson.
Okay. So do you want me to just, or for every character?
Yeah, well, for one part, it was nice to not just have all the characters at once, to have them like in smaller chunks. But it's nice to be able to because this is how I do when I don't know the character or I don't know what character to add to make a new word. I go to the lesson vocab list and then I refresh. And sometimes it was harder. This is just a minor little thing, but it was harder when I didn't know what lesson characters belong to because they're mixed.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Thank you. What I can do actually, because everything is in order. So this is from lesson 1. This is from lesson 4.
Okay.
So what I can do is just add a little line that says lesson 1, and then here another line, lesson 2, lesson 3, and lesson 4. That would be enough.
You don't have to do that. Let's see how I feel the next course.
Okay. But please don't say anything. Yeah, but I don't mind doing it.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay, add at least one character to make a place. So all of these look wonderful. Have you seen this character, Miho, by the way? This fire.
Yes, actually. Yes, I have. Looking for it. And I saw it.
You were nice. Okay, now the destination of the train. Let's get to this one. This is interesting. This is really the part that I want to focus on. The destination of the train. Let me do this. It's a bit bigger. Where is it then? Here it is. Okay, the destination of the train. So it would be, again, we're using the "the," and remember, "the" sounded just like the S. So should it be the train's destination? So which one should come first? The train or the destination?
The train.
Yeah, because it's like S. Exactly. So, 火车. Can you give me the rest?
火车的目的地。
目的地. Unknown. You can say 有一点. So it has a little bit. Unknown. It is a little bit. 有一点 unknown. Nice. That's just for you. The land of Western people. 西方人的国. Good. So now it's like, it's funny here because one sentence here you did it wrong, so you flipped it. But here you got it right.
But shouldn't it be shouldn't it be 我的南方人? Because it's the people that belongs to the land.
Land. Oh, okay, wait. Land of Western people. No, because it's Western people's land. No?
The land of.
Land. Oh, wait. Land of.
I'm thinking it's the land. Yeah.
Oh. Let's see if I. The land.
But so the thing is, it should be the thing it belongs to. Should be the first.
Yes. So I'm just thinking this is land of the Westerners. So this is the Westerners' land. Like the Americas is the English people's land. In that case, it would be English people country. So 西方人, but you missed one thing. The 国. We can't just say 国. We need to say one more character for that country.
Yeah.
国家. Nice. 西方人的国家. Good. So let me write in English. It would be Westerners country. Wonderful. 很多牛肉. Very nice. You fish very fast. This is very nice. Very nice. 很好. Also very nice. Okay, this is not very nice. 两勺口人了. It is completely wrong. It's the most wrong you've written. But it is fine. If you don't mind me saying so. Do you remember what we did here? Do you remember what we did here?
Sorry.
Do you remember what we did here?
I think I remember went through it. Let me think. Yes, it should be shall
Yes.
两人.
两个.
两个人.
Yes. You can say 两人. That's very formal. Very formal to skip the measure words. Very nice. Okay, here it's a bit wrong again. Northern China. So it's China's north, no?
Yeah. 中国的北方.
Nice. 中国的北方. Nice. We can even skip this the when we feel okay with it. Okay. Now it's what time are you going? There are two things, maybe three things here. First of all, yeah, it's you usually say 一点 when you're trying to say 几点, but here you actually even wrote it. You want to ask, do you remember? So it's the 几.
Yeah.
It's the 几. It's not you're going at 1 o'clock. Because this is you're going at 1 o'clock, question mark. So how would you say this? Start with me.
你去几点?
你去几点? Nice. 你去几点? Do we need a ma?
Yes, because we asked when you're going.
Yeah, so the question is not. You
It's
can
not
also
what
think.
time
Yeah, we can also. Ma means yes. You've asked this before, and I looked this up. Yes or no question. Yes. This means yes or no question.
Yeah.
So, yeah, yes or no question. 你现在几点？你去几点？ Good. And that's it, actually. But what I want to say also is, do you remember we want to add the person and then the time first? Now, this is still a time, even though it's a question. So we want to put it here. Can you accept that?
Okay, I guess so. 你点去
So be like, 我今天, do you remember we always say 我今天 something, right?
Okay.
我现在 something something. Now it's the same thing because 几点 is
Right.
still the time, but we're asking.
Because it's minus time. Okay.
Remember, time comes first. Perfect.
Yeah.
Make that a bit smaller. Okay. Remember, time comes first. Remember, time comes first. Okay, 我喜欢你一点. Okay, I like you a little bit. Now we practice this one. Do you remember? It's difficult.
我 Oh, let me think. 我 Yes, we will practice this one. 我
Think of, can I give you a clue and tell me first and say, I like you very much?
Yes, yeah, I remember. Yeah, 我一点喜欢你.
一点喜欢你. Yes, but we have to say 有. 我有一点. 我有一点.
我有一点喜欢你.
This is perfectly fine for now. You don't have to know more about this than you do right now. This will come slowly. We broke up in March. Okay, this is wrong as well. No words are wrong, but the order is wrong. Can you tell me? 我们分手3月.
It would be woman, and then since it's time, it should be 3月, and then 分手, and then I want to add love because we broke up.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I want a little bit of water. 我要, okay, I want a little bit of water. 我要一点水. Does that make more sense? That's just exactly the same as in English.
Yeah.
I want a little bit water. But here you wrote, I want water a little bit.
Yeah. I think because before I got to know Idiom better, I knew Idiom as in man Idiom.
Exactly.
And I always thought you said even after, but now I understand it's when it's like making something quicker or slower.
慢一点, 快一点. Perfect. I'll write that as well. Don't always just put 一点 at the end. It's not that simple, but it is also very simple. Just think about it. Maybe this is just a frustrating sentence to write, but I think it's true. Okay. Now, the last thing I want us to do is just to listen to these exercises. Do you have time?
I have time. Give me 2 minutes. I'm just going to go to the bathroom.
That's okay. Hello! Martin sitter där inne också. Dag 2, välkommen.
Thank you. Ja, det är så varmt och gött här.
Det är gött då! Ja. Åh, fan. Ja. Har inte Martin öppnat hade fönstret där uppe?
Sorry?
Har Martin öppnat det fönstret där uppe? Eller han stängde han det kanske? Då har han stängt det.
Man skulle kunna tänka sig att det skulle vara ganska kallt där eftersom det är så stort. Det är skönt. Jag älskar när det är så här varmt och gosigt.
Ja, framförallt den här perioden. Ja.
Det är bra jobbat Johan.
Nu är jag ready.
Ja, allt gick bra. Jag har lektionen.
Ja.
Han var på toa bara.
I'm on
Hello.
floor. Hello.
Hello, hello. 怎么样？
Hello, hello.
怎么样？
怎么样? How does it look?
Yeah, how is it? 怎么样？
非常好。
非常好。哦，很好，很好。OK。
我一点饿。
No.
哦，我饿一点。
No. 我 because so with adjectives you can say 有 有一点饿
我有一点。
Thank you, but thank you though. I think if you're lucky, you will hear this word in this exercises now. Now, okay, so if we open this document here, here there's a link. And here is course book, and this is chapter 1, it's level 3. So it's level 3, chapter 1, exercise 4. So that's the one we're going for now. And I'm going to actually fill it out in my course book for the teacher course book while we do it, because I haven't done that yet. So I'll cheat a little bit.
Okay.
Done that yet.
As I said, I tried to play the audio files, but failed horribly.
Horribly. Oh no. Oh, actually, I can't show you these ones. You failed horribly. That's horrible.
That's perfect.
It's horrible. Hold on. I'll do this.
Are you?
Here. Okay, let's try. Let me try. Yeah, I failed horribly as well.
Ah,
Ayo.
the horrible, right?
Okay, but okay, try and like. My God. Here, okay, so chapter 3 works. Okay, I'm very sorry. I will do now instead is I'll take this and I'll just read them to you instead. This is my fault. I'm terribly debuchi.
May 20.
No indeed. 谢谢, 谢谢. Okay. Now, oh yeah, okay. So we can't do that. Let's do 这个饭. 这个饭很 I'll skip this one actually. 1 second. Okay. Are you ready? There will just be okay. Now,
Ready.
number 1. 一现在几点?
What time is it now?
现在几点? Nice. Okay. Next one. It'll get harder. 您 so it's 您 note that it's 您 now and not 你. I'm giving you a little clue. 您知道地铁站在哪儿吗?
Um, 你可以说一次？谢谢。
你可以再说一次。
你可以再说一次？
你知道地铁站在哪儿吗? So it's
The middle word I don't hear. I hear it's like you and position.
你 okay,
Where?
I'll go one word at a time. 你知道
Yeah, do you know?
地铁站
That one. Can you say
地铁站地铁站
地铁站. Okay, and full sentence.
and then I'm not done. But full sentence. 你知道地铁站在哪儿吗？
Yeah. Do you know where the metro station is?
Yes, fucking brilliant. Do you? So it's 你知道地铁站在哪儿吗？ So I'm asking. The question is, do you know? So 你知道, and it doesn't matter what comes here. We have to finish with a ma if we're asking, do you know? It's a yes or no question.
Okay.
Do you know where the West metro stop is? Okay. Now I'm saying like a lot of nin and not ni, just so you know. So it should actually be nin. But that you hear it. Okay. 您这儿可以写您的地址。
再一次。
再说一次。
再说一次。
您这儿可以写您的地址。
写。你可以再说一次。还有慢一点。
Nice, excellent. Okay, I'll say one word at a time. 您这儿可以写。
可以写。
What's 可以写？
可以 ，this can't 写。写没有
不知道什么意思。写 is to write.
写right okay.
So let me say that again. 您这儿可以写。
Okay, and the full sentence.
您这儿可以写您的地址。
Can you write your address?
Yes, 您 I'll write it. 您这儿可以写。Here, so you here can write 你的地址。
Okay, yeah. This is exactly what I need to practice.
I know. That's why I'm very excited about this.
Yeah, it's very good.
So you here can write your address, correct?
Can you say again?
您这儿可以写您的地址。I'm going to, as soon as we finish this lesson, I will record these ones. So you can come in here and listen. And then we go through them now, and then as a review, you can just listen to them. Because they'll sum up all the grammar points that we've gone through in everything in this lesson, and much more as well. So just if you can understand every one of these sentences, then you're God gift given from God.
Yes.
Next one. 4. Okay, number 4. 这是什么地方？这是什么地方？
你可以再说一次。
可以。这是什么地方？这是什么地方？
地方，Okay, word by word.
好了，
这是什么地方？
Jag som trodde jag skulle ha en hel studiedag idag. För jag inte hade några fotouppdrag.
Bra.
Ja, och vad händer?
Förlåt Tim, det är Björn som kom in och började jiddra.
Ja. Kan det bli Björn gå i det eller någonting? För att han...
Kan du gå i jiddra eller något? Ide.
Jag har inga ID-kort.
Han är ID-kort, sa han.
Ja.
Oj, synd. Okej, vi kör igen. 这是什么地方？
Yeah, what is this place?
Perfect. Oh, now it's easy. 这是什 Yeah, I know that you struggled a little bit with the 地方. The rest was easy, no? Okay, next one. There are only 12, by the way. Okay, next one. 我有点喜欢你。我有点喜欢你。我有点喜欢你。
Word by word, please.
我有点 or 有一点，我有一点喜欢你。
Yeah, I like it a little bit.
我有一点 nice. And I just said 有点喜欢你.
Okay, yeah,
I
that's
knew that I was going to get you on this one, not the E. Okay. And then we go 你的手机多少钱?
Ni kör ju 再说一次。
你的手机多少钱? 手机 is it's the last word of this chapter. 你的手机多少钱?
手机什么意思？
手机 is phone. Did you learn that?
Yes, we did. Yes.
So hand machine, literally. It'll be the
I like that one.
Thank you. We'll do a lot of G in the next chapter. 手机多少钱? So 你的手.
Yeah. So how much does this phone cost?
Thank you.
Or how much?
The only really difficult thing was 手机. Yeah. Okay. 现在2点40分. This one be difficult. 现在2点40分.
Ni可以再说一次吗？
现在2点40分.
40分。
40.
Okay. Hey, maybe you can write the characters.
I'm writing it here. 40.
There.
40分.
And all of it again?
You want me to write the whole thing? 现在.
No, not right. You say it.
现在2点40分.
It's right now. It's 2 o'clock, or it's 40 minutes past 2.
Yes.
2:40.
2:40. Yeah. So never say like 20 past or 10 to or something in English anymore. Just call it by the digital names. So 2:40. Exactly. Very good.
And can you say it again?
现在2点40分. Well,
so you don't say the whole idiom with the time. No, of course, yeah, because you switch it. Never mind.
Yeah. I'll send you these answers as well, so when you listen, you can just make sure that you got them right. Okay. 现在2点40分. Okay, 4 left. Okay, we have 地理很有意思, but we also have 心里没有意思. 地理很有意思, 心里没有意思.
你可以再说一次吗？
可以，地理很有意思，心里没有意思。
So it's like, yeah, it's your geography and psychology.
Nice. You got them. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So
but
say that again. 地理
Yeah.
地理很有意思。The second part. 心里没有意思。
Okay, so the second part I get. It's not interesting. Hi. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Geography is interesting and psychology is not interesting.
Good. So 地理很有意思，
很有意思。
很有意思，心里没有意思。Okay, next one. 你可以坐地铁去我的家。
再说一次吗？
你可以
再说一次。
Yeah, nice. 你可以坐地铁去我的家。
You can take the train or the car.
Yeah, train 去我的家。
去
我的家。
You can take the home to. You can take the train to my home.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
And can you say it again?
你可以坐地铁去我的家。 Okay. Okay.
This is so good.
I know it's so good, yeah, and yeah, I can tell as well. And also, the more that you can hear these sentences and understand that you can actually understand them, the more fulfilling you feel. Okay. 西方的东西有点贵。西方的东西有点贵。
The food is a bit expensive.
Oh, nice, but no, it's almost 西方的东西。What's 西方？
Shifan is food.
No, 西
Or
方
eat.
是吃饭。No, it's 西方。
Shifan. Okay. Okay. Say the sentence again with this. No.
西方的东西有点贵。
Shifan the Tongshi. Is it the eastern thing? The southern things, or Dongshi as in?
西方的东西 so it's Western things, Westerns things.
Western things. Yeah.
有点贵。
It's a bit expensive.
Yeah, Western things are a bit expensive. Nice. Okay.
Can you say it again?
Yes. 西方的东西有点贵。 Next one, last two. 可以晚点见吗？可以晚点见吗？
再说一次。
I'll make it easier. 可以晚一点见吗？可以晚一点见吗？
There's something with can you like a little bit later.
可以晚一点见吗？见。
Can you a bit later?
Yeah, 见 is like from 明天见, right? Like see you tomorrow, but no, it's not tomorrow. It's a little bit later.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, but it's a question. Like,
Yes. So
oh,
can we
I
see?
see a bit later? Oh,
Yeah. Can we see each other a little bit later? 可以晚点见吗？Last one. 你早一点说吧。你早一点说吧。你早一点说吧。
needs like in look for or search look for.
No,
Another-
早 but good. That would be 早.
Okay.
This is 早.
Jiao. Sao, of course. Okay. So you say it again.
你早一点说吧。
Can you go a bit earlier?
说吧。
So okay.
早一点说吧。 Say it.
你早一点 So say it a bit earlier. Or say
Yeah,
it
that's it.
earlier.
Yeah, so let's skip the ba. 你早一点说. Say it earlier. And what does the ba do to the sentence, you think?
Well, it encourages you to say it earlier. It's like,
Nice. That's it, yeah.
do it.
Wonderful. And we're done there.
That was fun.
I'm glad you had fun.
Yeah,
Again,
that was fun. That is fun.
I'll send these to you. Chat like this. Oh, that doesn't work like that. I'll send these to you like this, maybe. 1 second. Yeah, sorry, it was incredibly long. But it was incredibly necessary as well, I think.
Yeah, no, it's just good that it's long, and I learn more.
It is. Yeah. I shouldn't be apologizing for making it too long for you.
No, you should apologize to yourself.
I will do so. Okay, and then I will go now and record these sounds. And I suggest that the only review you do, the only review you do of this lesson is just to listen to these on your metro or wherever.
Yeah.
Okay. So like 你坐地铁 when you do the 地铁 你坐地铁 你下次 so next time 你下次坐地铁你可以听一下 you can listen a little bit 你可以听一下这个好吗？
好的。
Write that down 你下次坐地铁可以听一下这个好吗？你下次坐地铁可以听一下这个好吗？ Excellent. Okay, but let's finish up then and study schedule. We're just going to practice this session. A lot of good things to practice. We're done with this one. So note that I've changed a little bit here. It's just the times and when. So tomorrow we're supposed to have a lesson and practice this. Can you do that?
可以。
明天可以吗？好的。明天几点？ You have to tell me in Chinese.
5点30分。
Nice. 5点30分。
好的，好，
可以。
好不好
5点30分很好。5点30分，明天5点30分可以。